welcome to the mix. And we have Dwayne today. And now Dwayne is speaking about, health and how he's losing weight and all that stuff. So you need to go over there, check out the video to see what he has to say. He's very excited about this journey. And even though it's something different, you can learn something from him today with this, what he has to say. So go check out the video and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. And check out the merch, and not only that, go ahead and subscribe to the membership. Have yourselves a wonderful day. God bless.
I'm so happy. Yeah. And no, now I'm even more determined. You know what I think is helping me as well. Like every day, I don't eat a lot of food. I only eat one time for the day. I may have a cup of tea in the morning, and I don't eat food until in the evening. And in the evening, I only have two soups, whatever soup, chicken soup, or some soup. It's always some soup I have in the evening, but I normally buy two of them, and I have them, and I don't eat again till the next day. That's good. Maybe it's because the soup don't have no damn carbs or no. Our soup having that again? What is soup having it? Do some physio or something to keep your joints. Darling, my joints move. My joints move perfectly. Thank you very much. They move perfectly. Listen. When I want to roam, I roam away. My joints move perfectly. Thank you very much. And they will never seize up. I'm very sorry. God ain't gonna allow that to happen. I'm very sorry. God would not allow that to happen, darling. All right. But thank you for the advice. Thank you. I appreciate you. Yes, I do. But yeah, the soup, right? If they put a bit of yam in it and a bit of potato, right? Like potato. We call them here spuds, right? What's in that? When you cook it, does that cook out the carbs? Or it cook out the carbs, right? Okay, that's good. I need to do more. Okay, I wish you well. Does that take out the carbs? When you cook yam and potato in soup, does it take away the carbs, or does it still have a little bit of carbs in it? I don't know. I'm only asking. I'm very sure a lot of you on here are nurses or stuff. So I've just been having soup, and because I think it takes out the carbs out of the grand provision, right? I think that's what's helped me to lose weight. Yeah. And also the meat itself, what they put in the soup, it's not oily or nothing, because clearly they're boiling it. They're boiling the meat in soup. So I think because it's not fried and then cooked down and whatever, it don't have no oil in it. So I think that's helping too. But darling, give me 6 months. I want to be. Well, I don't think it's gonna happen in 6 months. But my ideal weight, I want to go down to like 86 kg. Because that's where I was before all of this mess happened to me. I want to go back to 86 kg. I really do. And I'm not going to stop until, listen, at least 100 kg. I'll be happy with 100 kg. But I want to go, and my ideal is to go to 86 kg. So if I have to continue to have soup every day, then soup it shall be. Soup. Soup, pressure. Soup, pressure. Listen, I I'm getting up for this motherfucking live. I'm getting up. Alright? On the cast on the door see me. On the cast set on the door see me cause on the see me. At least become sure my big stinking face. Duh. I'm a Cassie eye. I'm a Cassie eye. Wanna see it? Wanna see my Cassie eye? Wanna see my Cassie eye? Myself, wanna see my Cassie eye? Sharon, you see it? You see it? Thanks to Curly. I see what? The mix up. I'm supposed to Curly. Blouse come. Hey, that mix up was too juicy. I had to take it. Sean, I had to post it, girl. I had to post that mix up with Curly. I just couldn't help it. I see. I told you guys. Listen, tell us, I'm bipolar now. I'm bipolar. I'm bipolar. Because one minute to be done, and then I find something from them camp. I like it. Me have to draw for, and me just draw for. That makes me bipolar. No, that makes me bipolar. My bipolar no blouse and skirt. Me need psychological therapy. I need psychological therapy. I think I'm gonna book myself into a psych ward. I'm gonna book myself into a psych ward because I need psychological therapy. I do. I'm a mess. I'm motherfucking mess. I'm ashamed of myself. I'm ashamed of myself. Because I'm done and watch it. I'm gonna draw for Curly. Cause Curly talks to them, say, ah, Jesus Christ. I can't want to pass me. I have to draw for. I have to draw for. No, Sharon said everybody lose weight now. Yes, darling, listen, me have to lose weight, darling. Because if I continue, me blow up like one damn big bird. I don't want to be. I see it. I was blowing up already. I look at him, I draw myself in, I rate myself in, look at him. I say one video today. It's what I do one live today. And I say all the people all them blow up too. Because every day them put out them pretty picture pan them logos and thing. And when I look at the people them say Ras. So you blow up too. The one I will blow up the blouse and skirt. So hey, you know for the thing. The one away. The one away. Need to go on a weight loss journey. Yeah. I'm so happy. Me look a gone now. Well, in a gone fully, but it's not go away. By the grace of God. Girl, this is not about Curly. This is about me. Go on right up on the video, right? When we post about Curly. Go on right up on the video when we post about Curly. Here, darling. Alright. Grilled sweet pepper. Peppers are the best. Red, green, yellow. Red, green, yellow, orange, black, and blue. Ba, 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 ba. Jesus, now the little children of the world. Alright, darling, big up yourself. Well, listen, I'm getting off the live now. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna delete this live. I'm gonna delete this live because like you guys don't really care. So like the fuck am I coming to show my face for? Like I don't understand why I should show my face. Because you guys don't really care. You guys don't show me that you care. So like what's the point? All I'm gonna do is just continue to post my little mix up videos, and I don't care about